For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
While the COVID-19 pandemic is continuing to rage across the world, a province in China has witnessed a new cluster infection called shigellosis. Reports from the province have claimed that close to 500 people have been infected in Shou County in Anhui province of China. Cluster infection is known as shigellosis. Shigellosis is an infectious disease caused by a bacteria known as Shigella. The Shou County government has given out statement that a total of 493 county residents have been infected. The county government has said that 289 patients have been infected, but the whereabouts of 204 patients yet to be known. The authorities have said that some patients are recovering. The condition of some patients has improved, with some already having been released from the hospital. Local government authorities are suspecting that the cluster formation is linked to polluted drinking water. Media reports have claimed that locals in the area have seen the drinking water turning black. County government has shut down the local water plant on 21st August to curb the further infections. Diarrhea, sometimes bloody, fever, stomach pain, feeling the need to pass stool even when the bowels are empty, fever, severe stomach cramping or tenderness, dehydration, feeling very sick, post-infectious arthritis in some rare cases. Shigella can be passed with direct contact with the bacteria in stool and accident swallowing of the bacteria. The bacteria can infect if you don't wash your hands well after changing the diaper of a child who has Shigella infection. Direct person-to-person contact is the most common way the disease is spread. Infected people who handle food can transmit the bacteria to people who eat the food. Food can also become contaminated if it grows in a field that contains sewage, and a person eating the contaminated food will be infected. Drinking water contaminated either from sewage or from a person with Shigella infection swimming in it. According to doctors, children under 5 are more likely to get infected, but the infections can happen to any age group. Some infected patients might show no symptoms at all, but might continue to pass the bacteria to others. The spread of Shigella bacteria can be stopped by frequent hand wash and maintaining proper hygiene. Before the infection was detected in China, on 12th August, authorities in Portland, Oregon, USA have shut down a food cart to contain the spread of shigellosis. This is the first food cart closure in Multnomah County in many years due to health concerns. While the infection sounds scary, it is not contagious like COVID-19. However, everyone should take precautions and maintain proper hygiene.